And this alley is Travessa dos Becos still, and then that's the restaurant that we're just at. Maybe I'll show you what I just ate there as well. And this is the alley. Okay, let me see, this one is B set, which is this one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up a little bit, and then you can see that there's like beef in here, and rice, and cheese. There we go. Okay, time to enjoy. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that was the one B. There's also these ones. This one, pork knuckle, curry, all of these. And then you also got the menu. Sizzling, there's all kinds of stuff in this menu. Okay, so that's kind of the stuff that's here, and that's what it looks like. There was just a bunch of people here, but they just cleaned out. I think it's because it's a little bit funny time. It's 5 p.m. right there, as you can see, 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, so this is the back side of this, and we're kind of in this little alley here. So there's just a dead end right there, somebody's place right there. What we're gonna do is then go from the back side here and go through these alleys and see what's in here. So you got some little residential apartments in here. Let me just see what else we got here. We're gonna see, oh, here we go, Patio de Mercado. So we're in a little patio. So this is a patio right there, and this patio looks like it's gonna end right there. So so there's our street sign. There's a little shrine right there too. Patio de Mercado. Very, very small. So basically this is where we're just at. Then this is this sort of alley right here, which is this Portuguese Dragon restaurant. And we're just gonna go out the Patio de Mercado, and then we're just gonna walk outside and kind of give you some context of where this Patio de Mercado is and where that restaurant is that we started at. And I also just ate some food there too. So maybe I'll just show a little bit of footage of that as well. So here we are on the main street. We got some black and white tiles right away. And I forget the name of the street, but it's pretty close to, it's in San Malo, and São Domingos is to the right. And what we're gonna do next is just gonna walk around here a little bit and give you a little context of it. So yeah, that's sort of Patio de Mercado. And over here is Travessa dos Becos. And then we got a guy who makes good food right there. That's Travessa dos Becos. So we're just gonna go show you this, where the front side of this restaurant is. We'll also show you something I just ate there as well. So we came out the back side, and now we're at the front side. Now we're in this other alley, and this alley is Travessa dos Becos still, and then that's the restaurant that we're just at. Maybe I'll show you what I just ate there as well. And this is a little alley that keeps going all the way down. Oops. And then you can just keep walking all the way down to Pump 16, which I can barely see through there a little bit. But anyways, we're gonna end this right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Oh.